Welcome, all students. Today's lecture held on chapter Piecemeal Distribution of Cash, lecture number 4th, problem number 3rd. In this problem, one is a different adjustment, which is a general reserve is given, asset taken over by partner. These are the adjustments are involved in this problem. Lata, Usha and Meena were in partnership, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of half, 1/3 and 1/6 respectively. Their firm was dissolved as on 31st March 2017, on which date the balance sheet of the firm was as under. Balance sheet as at 31st March 2017. Liability side, asset side, rupees. Liability side, capitals, Lata 17,000, Usha 8,000, Meena 1,000. General reserve 6,000, loans, Lata 6,000, Usha 4,000, creditors 20,000. Asset side, cash 4,000, debtors 42,000, stock 16,000, balance sheet total 62,000. It was agreed that the next realization should be distributed in their due order at the end of each fortnight. The realization and expenses were as under. Particulars, debtors, stock and expenses. 3 columns here. Date of realization 15th April 2017. Debtors realized 7,500, stock realized 4,500, expenses made 1,000. 30th April 2017. Debtors realized 10,500, stock realized 500, expenses 500. 15th May 2017, debtors realized 8,500, stock realized 8,500, expenses 1,000. 28th May 2017, debtors 10,500, stock 500, expenses rupees 400. 15th June 2017, realization 2,050, debtors realized 2,050, stock realized 3,050, expenses 600. Stock was completely disposed of and remaining debtors were to be taken over by Meena at agreed amount of rupees 600. Show the statement of distribution of cash following highest relative capitals method, or it is called excess capital method. Solution. Find out ultimate excess by drawing the statement of excess capital, and then how distribution of cash among the claimants. Statement of excess capital. Now we are going to prepare statement of excess capital. Particulars, capitals, Lata, Usha and Meena. Capital balance as per balance sheet, Lata 17,000, Usha 8,000, Meena 1,000. Add general reserve. It is given in balance sheet and distribute among the partners in 3:2, 2:1 ratio. Amount of general reserve is 6,000 as per ratio. 3,000 for Lata, 2,000 for Usha, 1,000 for Meena. Adjusted capital, Lata's capital 20,000, Usha's capital 10,000 and Meena's capital 2,000. Write down here profit sharing ratio 3 as 2, 2 as 1. Unit value of capital 6,667 for Lata, 5,000 for Usha and 1,000 and 2,000 of Meena. Excess capital less as per the base of capital of Meena, 2,000 multiply 3, 6,000 for Lata, 2,000 multiply 2, 4,000 for Usha and 2,000 multiply 1 for Meena. As per the base of Meena's capital. Excess capital after the deduction of 6,000 from 20,000 balance is excess capital balance is 40,000. 10,000 minus 4,000 excess capital balance of Usha 6,000. Then 2,000 minus 2,000 excess capital is nil for Meena. Write down here PSR or profit sharing ratio 3 as 2, Lata and Usha. Unit value as per PSR, Lata's unit value is 4,667, Usha's 3,000. As per the base of Usha's capital, 3,000 multiply 3, 9,000 for Lata, 3,000 multiply 2, 6,000 for Usha, 14,000 minus 9,000 balance, excess capital balance 5,000 for Lata, 6,000 minus 6,000 balance, excess capital is nil for Usha. After the preparation of excess capital statement, now we have must to prepare statement of piecemeal distribution of cash. First pay rupees 5,000 to Lata as a ultimate excess capital. Second, next pay 15,000, 9,000 plus 6,000 to Lata and Usha in the ratio of 3 as 2 ratio. Third, balance in PSR 3 as 2 as 1. Statement of piecemeal distribution of cash. Particulars: cash available, total claim, creditors, Lata's loan, Usha's loan, Lata's capital balances or capital accounts, Lata's capital, Usha's capital, Meena's capital. These are the columns of statement of piecemeal distribution of cash. Balance, cash balance as per balance sheet 4,000. Total claim 62,000. It is a total of creditors, Lata's loan, Usha's loan, Lata's capital, Usha's capital and Meena's capital. Total is 62,000. Now cash available here rupees 4,000. As per the priority, we have must to pay 4,000 to creditors, 4,000 deduct from creditors, from total claim also, from cash available. Cash available balance is nil. After the deduction of 4,000 from 62,000, balance is 58,000 as remaining total claim. From 20,000, 4,000 deduct from 20,000, balance is 16,000. Then cash balance is nil. We have to take the first realization on 1st April, debtors, stock and some expenses also made. So that is a deduct from realizations. Debtors realize here 7,500, stock 4,500 and expenses are 1,000. So it is a deductible from total of stock and debtors. So net cash available is 11,000. Creditors due is 16,000 and cash is available 11,000. So all cash give to creditors, deduct from creditors, deduct from cash available, deduct from total claim. Cash available will be nil. Total claim 58,000 minus 11,000. Remaining balance due is 47,000. 11,000 deduct from 16,000 creditors. Balance is 5,000. Creditors due is 5,000. Balance dues 47,000. Next, realization. 30th April, debtors realize, stock realize, and some expenses net. Debtors is realized 10,500, stock is realized 500, 11,000 minus 500 expenses, cash available 10,500. Balance due of creditors is 5,000. So here cash paid to creditors 5,000. Deduct 5,000 from cash available, balance is 5,000. Then deduct 5,000 from 47,000, balance is 42,000. And deduct from creditor column 5,000, creditors balance nil. Cash paid to Lata's loan, which is mentioned in balance sheet, and Usha's loan, Lata's loan and Usha's loan in the ratio 3:2. Cash available 5,500, deduct from total cash balance, deduct from total claim, and deduct from Lata's and Usha's loan in the proportion of 3:2. 3,300 for Lata and 2,200 for Usha. Balance due 36,500. Debtors 8,500 and stock also 8,500 and expenses made 1,000. Total 17,000 minus 1,000. Cash available is 16,000. Balance due of Lata and Usha's loan, remaining loan, is 4,500. 4,500 deduct from cash available. Cash balance is 11,500. Deduct from total claim 4,500, balance due 32,000. And deduct from 2,500 from Lata's loan and Usha's loan 1,800. Lata's loan 2,700 and Usha's loan 1,800. After the payment of Lata and Usha's loan, we should pay the ultimate excess capital, and that ultimate excess capital of Lata is 5,000 as per statement of excess capital. Proof is 5,000. Deduct from total cash available, deduct from total claim, and deduct from Lata's capital. After payment of Lata's capital, 6,500 cash balance is available, total claim 27,000, and capital balances of Lata, Usha and Meena 15,000, 10,000 and 2,000. Cash paid to Lata and Usha in the ratio of 3:2, 6,500. Deduct from cash available, deduct from total claim, and distribute among the Lata and Usha in ratio of 3:2. 3,900 for Lata, 2,600 for Usha. Cash available is nil. Total claim 20,500. On 28th May, next realization 10,500 debtors, 500 stock, and expenses made 400, 10,500 plus 500, 11,000, minus expenses made 400, cash balance, cash available 10,600. Cash paid to Lata and Usha in ratio of 2 as 3, 8,500 deduct from cash available, total claim, deduction of 2,000. After the deduction of 8,500 from total claim, balance is 12,000 and cash available is 2,100 here. 8,500 distributed among the Lata and Usha. For Lata 5,100, for Usha 3,400. After the payment of 5,100, 6,000 remaining balance due. For Usha, remaining balance is 4,000 after payment of 3,400. And in column of Meena, 2,000. Cash available balance 2,100 paid to all partners Lata, Usha and Meena in ratio 3 as 2 as 1. Deduct from 2,100 cash available, balance will be nil. Deduct from 12,000, 2,100, due is 9,900. 2,100 divided into 3 partners, Lata for 1,050, Usha 700 and Meena 350 as per the PSR 3 as 2, 2 as 1. After the payment, balance due is 9,900 total. For Lata 4,950, Usha 3,300 and Meena 1,650. Next realization 15th June. Debtors stock some expenses made. Debtors 2,050, stock 3,050, total 5,100, 600. Cash available 2,050 plus 3,050 and 600 is cash received from Meena. Cash available balance is 5,100 here. Cash paid to all partners Lata, Usha and Meena 3 as 2, 2 as 1. After the payment of Lata, Usha and Asha, cash available is nil. Deduct from 5,100 from total claim, balance due is 4,800. 5,000 divided in all partners in the ratio of 3 as 2, 2 as 1. For Lata 2,550, for Usha 1,700 and for Meena 850. After the payment to all partners, loss on realization is 4,800 is as per partners loss. For Lata 2,400, Usha 1,600 and Meena 800. It is called loss on realization in this problem. Thank you. Problem is over.